Hello, it's me, Kermit the Frog here. I'm happy to see everybody. Hello, up here. Oh, Kermit the Frog. Me, Kermit the Frog. Kermit the Frog Show. Yay. It's time to meet the Muppets in the Muppet Show tonight. Yeah. It's me, Kermit the Frog. I'm happy to see everybody. Woo-hoo, Kermit. That's me, Kermit. Yep. Hello, Fraser. We have a special guest though. Gordon Ramsay!
Hello. It's me, Gordon Ramsay. Nice to see all of you. Nice to see everybody out there. I am glad to be on the show. So Kermit, how have you been?
I've been very good. How are you?
Well, I'm glad to see you here. Nice to see you, Kermit the Frog. Kermit the Frog. Everybody, that's Kermit the Frog, everybody. We now will be back after the break. For everyone knows me. Bye-bye.